Did you know that vitamin C serum is a game changer in skincare? Welcome to our exploration of this pivotal product for radiant skin. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining skin health is more crucial than ever. But how often do we consider the power of vitamin C? Imagine your skin battling pollution, stress, and aging daily. What if one product could help turn the tide? Vitamin C serum promises just that, a solution packed with potential. We'll uncover the secrets behind its remarkable benefits. Why should you care? Because your skin deserves the best defense and nourishment. Join us as we unveil how vitamin C serum can be your skincare ally. This is just the beginning of our journey to unlocking healthier, more vibrant skin. Stay tuned for insights into its powerful benefits. Imagine your skin as a canvas and vitamin C serum as the artist's brush, ready to paint a masterpiece of health and vitality. At the heart of its magic lies its rich antioxidant properties. These antioxidants work tirelessly to defend your skin against environmental stressors. But that's just the beginning. Vitamin C takes center stage in boosting collagen production, the protein responsible for your skin's firmness and elasticity. Think of collagen as the scaffolding that keeps your skin looking youthful. With regular use, vitamin C serum helps smooth out fine lines and wrinkles, revealing a fresher complexion. Hyperpigmentation, those stubborn dark spots and patches, can often feel like a losing battle. Yet, vitamin C serum steps in as a potent ally, reducing the appearance of these blemishes over time. Its brightening effects help create an even skin tone, allowing your natural radiance to shine through. Incorporating vitamin C serum into your skincare routine is like giving your skin a daily dose of revitalizing energy. Embrace these benefits and experience the transformation for yourself. Stay tuned as we dive into common skin concerns and reveal how vitamin C serum could be the solution you've been searching for. Do you find yourself frustrated with skin dullness, fine lines, or persistent dark spots? You're not alone. These common issues can affect anyone, but they don't have to be permanent. Introducing a powerful ally in your skincare routine, vitamin C serum. Known for its ability to rejuvenate and brighten, this serum is your go-to solution for tackling these concerns. Imagine waking up to a complexion that feels refreshed and looks radiant thanks to vitamin C. It's more than a trend. It's a scientifically backed solution that works at the cellular level to restore your skin's natural glow. This serum doesn't just mask issues, it helps resolve them, giving you confidence in your skin's health and appearance. If you're seeking a way to say goodbye to dullness and hello to vibrancy, vitamin C serum might be the answer you've been searching for. Stay with us as we delve deeper into how this transformative product can seamlessly fit into your skincare routine. Next, we'll guide you through the best practices for applying vitamin C serum to maximize its benefits. To get the most out of your vitamin C serum, here's how you should apply it. Start with a clean, dry face to ensure the serum penetrates deeply. Use a few drops, just enough to cover your face and neck evenly. Gently pat it in, avoiding the delicate eye area. For maximum benefits, apply the serum in the morning before your moisturizer and sunscreen. This allows the antioxidants to protect your skin throughout the day. If your skin is sensitive, begin using it every other day and gradually increase frequency as your skin adjusts. Remember, consistency is key. Over time, this simple addition to your routine can lead to noticeable improvements in skin texture and brightness. Proper application ensures you're reaping all the benefits this potent serum offers. Next, we'll hear from experts and users who have experienced incredible transformations with vitamin C serum, providing further insights and encouragement to incorporate it into your skincare routine. As we wrap up our exploration of vitamin C serum, let's hear from those who know it best. Leading dermatologists praise its ability to brighten and rejuvenate the skin. They've seen firsthand how it combats signs of aging, smooths texture, and evens tone. But don't just take their word for it. Users across the country are sharing their stories too. "I've never felt more confident," one user shares, describing how the serum transformed her complexion. Another notes, "The glow is undeniable." These testimonials highlight real results and satisfaction. Now, it's your turn to experience the benefits. Imagine waking up each morning with skin that feels as good as it looks. With vitamin C serum, this isn't just a dream. It's a reality waiting to be embraced. So why wait? Join the community of those who have unlocked the secret to radiant skin and take your skincare routine to the next level. Remember, the journey to healthier, more vibrant skin begins with a single step. Let that step be vitamin C serum.